สวัสดีค่ะ Hello welcome to Nunthana's healthy Thai food today I want to show you how to make variety smoothie okay first of all I take the skin out what is one pair okay I take the skin out everything take the skin out peel the skin out cut into the small pieces. Banana. And you can use this in the can, okay? This corn in the can. 150 gram. I think one can is enough, okay? And this you can, if you don't have in the can, you can use something like this, okay? And one, you know what? This about 50 gram, or 30 gram ginger. Cut it to small pieces. This is a chia. I like chia seed because it reduce your weight. It's very good to if you want to reduce your weight, you can use this one, okay? This is good for your stomach. Just keep less calorie. They have no calorie but no fiber, but a lot of fiber. 1 teaspoon is enough. 1 tablespoon. And I use also coconut sugar. Yeah, coconut sugar 1 tablespoon. Okay. One tablespoon enough. Please do not too sweet. It's not good. If you don't have coconut sugar, or you can use honey. Okay. But if I have sugar, coconut sugar, I don't use honey. And this is oat, raw oat. about about 3 tablespoons, okay? 2 tablespoons. No oat, about 3 tablespoons. And I also use this, orange juice to make it a nice color. Orange juice. You can use drink water if you don't have juice. I use this for about 1, maybe, okay, 1.5, 250 grams, 250 cc, 250 milliliter, okay? After that, I mix with the mixture. For 2 seconds. Okay, finish. Okay. Then you have corn mixture. Corn smoothie, okay? Or corn smoothie. I add in the jar or the glass. Like this. Okay, finish. This is the corn. This is the corn smoothie, okay? Okay, this is the corn smoothie. สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, welcome to Nunthana Healthy Thai Food. Today I want to show you how to make melon smoothie and melon juice, okay? Sweet melon. First of all, I want to blend in the machine, okay? So, first of all, I make smoothie sweet melon. I don't put any honey because already sweet. You can put also ice if you like, okay? If very hot, you can put ice and drink the very, very nice juicy. But today I don't use the ice because here is cold. Okay, I mix 1 glass enough. I make 1 glass for you, okay? After that, blend. 1 glass is enough. Take them out. And you can put in the glass if you like. Nice, okay, like this, 1 glass for you. Okay, this is 1 glass for you. Sweet melon smoothie. Okay? Thank you. And after that, I will show you again to make a juice mix with this. And after that, okay, I will make again juice. And I show you how to make juice. Okay, I use the same pot. Okay, and do like this. Okay, I mix the machine. Then you can take the juice out from. Okay, look, if you like. If you don't like smoothie, you can make the juice out. Like this, I need once. Like this and this. Okay. And take here. this in the like this. Like this, and you can take in the glass. Put it in the glass, okay? Like this. This is a juice. Sweet melon juice, okay? Yeah. Okay, nice. It's a nice to drink. Or you put ice or milk if you want, okay? Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next video, okay? สวัสดีค่ะ Hello. Welcome to Nunthana's Healthy Thai Food. Today I want to show you how to make a variety smoothie, okay? Yes. And after that, today begin with the. I will begin with the chocolate powder, 2 tablespoons, okay? And coffee powder, 2 tablespoons. And coconut, yeah, coconut sugar about, I think about, and coconut sugar about 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, okay? 1 tablespoon. And after that, you can add 1 teaspoon of 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, like this. And I use also chia seed 1 tablespoon to make it nice taste and to lose your weight. 1 tablespoon. And I want to use milk, okay? Milk. I want to use milk about I want to use milk about 200 milliliter, okay? 200 milliliter milk. Milliliter milk and yogurt, yeah, yogurt about how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons, okay? Yogurt 4 tablespoons. Yogurt. You want some ice? I can add also some ice, okay? I add some ice. Some ice, okay? you don't like, you don't Okay? You can add some oil or if you don't like you can add. And mix, okay? This is pasta. Add into the pot, right? Let's see. Fish. Okay, this is nice. Okay, this is coffee and chocolate smoothie. Okay. Hello, welcome to Nunthana's Healthy Thai Food. Today I want to show you how to make a pumpkin smoothie, okay? And let's see. First of all, I put the pumpkin, okay? Put pumpkin here. Pumpkin about 300 gram. 300 gram, okay? Pumpkin, 300 gram. This is cooked pumpkin, okay? The jar. I add also some tomato, small for tomato, okay? To make it nice color. And also, you know, I will peel the ginger here, ginger, and peel apple, 3 apple and 1 carrot, okay? To make it nice color. I want to peel the skin out. Peel the skin out. And this oregano. And also I like to put palm seed, okay? Palm seed and chia seed. This is to make a nice taste and also good for your stomach and for the digestion. I will put the palm seed 2 spoon, okay? 2 2 tablespoon palm seed. Two tablespoon palm seed. And also if palm seed or auto sweet, I put only 1 tablespoon honey, okay? It's enough, not too sweet. 1 tablespoon honey. And chia seed, 1 tablespoon, okay? Chia seed to make good digestion. Chia seed. 1 tablespoon, okay? And also milk and yogurt. Ice you need, if you like the ice you can add, if you don't like you don't need, okay, you don't need to add milk about I think about 200 milliliter, okay? 200 milliliter, okay, milk. 200 milliliter. And yogurt about also 200 milliliter yogurt, okay? Yeah, 200 milliliter yogurt. Put some more water. Some more water, okay, a little bit water. 20 milliliter water. Drink water. Okay, finished. And mix everything together with the machine. And after that, you can pour into the glass that you like, okay, to drink. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Okay, here, pumpkin smoothie, okay? Pumpkin smoothie. สวัสดีค่ะ Hello. Welcome to Nunthana Healthy Thai Food. Today I want to show you how to make beetroot smoothie, okay? First of all, I will peel the carrot. Peel the carrot. One carrot finish, okay, and the skin, take the skin of banana. And I wash the cinnamon, okay? I wash the cinnamon, already wash it. And ginger, I peel the skin out, or banana peel the skin out. Take the skin out. And ginger, okay, peel the skin out here, ginger. Because ginger very healthy. Antioxidant and reduce induce the metabolism. I add Here, coconut sugar, okay? 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon will be enough, not too much, okay? Because you will get more energy if you eat too much sugar. You should be careful. 1 teaspoon is enough. 1 tablespoon, okay? Sugar and I add this chia sesame. Chia seed, okay? You use chia seed. 1 tablespoon. This is good for you when you want to lose weight. This is good. In Thai they said เม็ดแมงลัก 1 tablespoon, okay? เม็ดแมงลัก chia seed. And this one beetroot cut into small pieces, okay? Beetroot. I should take the, and after that is add beetroot soft beetroot juice. I will use my hand. I will use my grab to cut the beetroot because if your hand will get red. I want to use the grab to prevent my hand get red. Mixture and mix it. And after that, some more juice. I add already beetroot juice about 70 milliliters, and another beetroot. About 200 milliliters, okay? Okay, 200 milliliters. And mix it, I think more 250 or maybe 300. Another 100. Because another 100. Okay. 300 milliliters juice, beetroot juice, and mix it very well. Mix it well. Then okay, finish. And pour into the glasses here. Glasses. To the glass. Some beetroot, okay? Yes. Beetroot finished. Yes, have you seen it? Nice color. Okay? Okay, then I see you next video, okay? Please subscribe for me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.